Christmas Day 2025, 2:30, 70 degrees, exit 113, Madison, Georgia, leaving the Loves. We were really looking forward. We came several exits further down. We wanted the Godfather's Pizza, and they're closed. The Hardee's is open, but we had Godfather's Pizza in mind, so we left. I'm wondering if any of the grocery stores might open up later in the afternoon on Christmas Day. Maybe Ingles, we'll check and see. We have plenty of food at the house, but we were just wanting to get something. We've been uploading video, taking video. We've been doing video and crazy today. I don't know what road this is. Exit 113. We'll find Madison 441 and then go north to Watkinsville. Half the time we don't know where we're at. We just roam around doing our thing. Morgan County Public Safety. Somebody coming up on us hard. We'll pull over and let them by right up here. They're in a hurry to get somewhere, and we're not. So, come on by, Speed Racer. Get on down the road. We're going to wait for another one, too. Two more coming, but they're going to have to wait. We get into Madison, it'll be 4-lane, and they come around or whatever. Hopefully we'll find something to eat. Oh, something open we can eat. We're hungry. At 2:30. Looks like we're coming up on 278, Georgia 12. Georgia State Patrol Office. Madison to the right, Rutledge to the left. Well, we're going to go Madison, thinking we might find something to eat. Of course, 278, we may pass all the eating places, the restaurants and everything, or grocery stores if they are open. This will be the old way through Madison. Degrees, may have gotten to 71. Okay, truck. We're not going to do truck. We're going to go right through Madison. I think we're probably going to miss the restaurants and so, the eating joints. Somebody's day has not been good here with the ambulance up here. Hopefully they'll be okay. Madison Health and Rehab Center. Christmas Day, bad time to have problems. I guess any time's a bad time, but Christmas days it can be especially hard on people. Monroe, Greensboro, Athens. Yeah, we're missing all the places to eat. We've got plenty of food at the house. We're not, what, 35, 40, 45 minutes away. We're not going to dry up, blow away, that's for sure. We put what weight we lost, we put it back on. Doggone it. We got to build our willpower up again. Augusta 106, Athens 30, Monroe 25, Greensboro what? What did it say, 40? It wouldn't be that far, would it? Or maybe? No, it wouldn't be 40 miles to Greensboro. I don't guess. I don't know. Oh, it may be. We're not going to Greensboro, though. We're going to go through Madison on 441 when we find it. We may have just found it. This may be it. Going right through town. Christmas Day. Awfully nice. We did a custom video for a lady here in Madison. Went through all of this, got video of that. We got video of that, whatever that is there, and the town up here. Did a pretty good video, so if you want to see Madison better, go ahead and check it out, because we're not going to zigzag here today. Georgia 83 should take us, or take you to Monroe, I think. We're going to go 441, I think, straight through town. Yep, Commerce, Athens, straight through town, folks. I guess we could loop around the courthouse here. 1887. That building over there. You got to be in better shape to drive a Corvette than I am. I can't even get in and out of those low things. I don't know that I'm crazy about them. They're too much like the Ferraris, and I guess that's what they've designed, you know, what they've tried to do, competing with that line of the performance car. Morgan County Courthouse. Wing night. It says it's open. We could get wings. Be a mess to try to eat on the way, though, wouldn't it? Stations. There are a couple of things open we might be able to snack on. Love's had some hot dogs, but of course I had my mind set on Godfather, so then I didn't care anything about a hot dog. Full day of video, folks. A lot of asphalt. Don't think as much asphalt and trees, or trees and asphalt, but I've got a lot of asphalt. A lot of downtown Atlanta or Atlanta vicinity. 275. Love's was 235. It's 40 cents a gallon. we'll be driving the speed limit, maybe a hair over, maybe not. GSP was really hard in Athens yesterday. I saw at least four pullovers. I haven't seen much today, but we're not going to test it on 441, 129. We could turn right here and go by the bypass. We're liable to find something to eat, but we're just not that desperate. Could use a drink out of the back. Appalachia will be up here. We'll be crossing over the Appalachian River. Go on and run it. We would if we were up there. There's no reason to sit here. No reason whatsoever. And we're not even getting a turn arrow. Not until next light. I hear a siren coming somewhere, very low in the distance, but we'll have to keep an eye out. It's probably from that place we saw a few minutes ago. They'll probably be heading back up to Athens, be my thought, to the maybe St. Mary's or Athens Regional. We're going to turn and go down through here. We see a railroad track down through here with some cars, maybe a railroad, maybe a locomotive down here. Check this out. We have some potato chips in the back. We may stop this and get us a little bag of potato chips, see if there's something else back there, get us a drink. Sure wish we could get us a train today. Look at the leaves coming down. I love that, try to get these videos. It's hard to do with the leaves raining down. Where this comes out, how we're going to, connect back up with 441. Our little compass says we are heading east-northeast. What is that? Sawdust chips or chips, wood chips on those cars? Going to have to ask our girl. I don't know, if we keep turning left though, we'll find 441, and this may be it here. Lower Appalachia Road is what we're on. Hearing impaired child. Which way we want to go, folks? Stay with the railroad. Well, I have never been here. This will be a brand new video. If I've been here, I don't know it. This railroad line would run. Would this be the line that ended up coming up to Athens? through Watkinsville that is now abandoned. That would go across the Appalachian River. I wonder if that old trestle is still there. I wonder if this might be old 441 129. Because we should be heading north now towards Watkinsville. Heading north-northeast. Dead end. Well, that's wonderful. Well, let's turn this off. Yeah, see, this is that, I guarantee you, this is that line. See, it's abandoned from here. Okay, well, we're going to turn around. We may as well get dirt road video, hadn't it? A lot of these dirt roads, you run down here, they get smaller and smaller and smaller, and you end up pulling up right in front of somebody's front porch. They sitting out there with a shotgun. How fast can we use the mirrors and back up? Are you friendly or not? You got some sweet tea we could share and jawbone over? Let's see about going on and turning around here. Do we see any power lines? Is there any power running down through here? Have we seen any utilities? I have seen no utilities. I wonder if this is the old road that goes down to that bridge over the Appalachian River. Is in that wildlife management area now. It's private property on this side of the river. This is a well-traveled road, though, whatever it is. You know, sometimes they say dead end just because they don't want people coming down the road, too. Infrastructure? What is that? What is that stake there? It's some kind of stake. What are they doing? H&L clearing. What are they doing? It looks like this is going to be some kind of road extension bypass. I still haven't seen any utilities though. No poles, no lines, nothing in the ground. Nice house out there. Road closed. There's an old bridge right there. Road on the other side. It must be the railroad line. Okay, the sun's going to be in our eyes on the way back out, so let's turn this off and then we'll start it again when we catch the road.